So if you're always create an international TikTok account or UK TikTok account, this video got you covered. It will give you full detailed tips on how to get an international TikTok account. And if you don't know the main reason to get this UK TikTok account, that many creators are using to cash out in dollars in every month. So this video will explain to you the full detailed tips on how to get that your international TikTok account, which is UK TikTok account in particular. So in this video, I'm going to give you a full detailed tips to get that your UK TikTok account that you need to make thousands of dollars in TikTok. So this video will give you a full detailed tips on that. Before you go to the main video, if you like this video and if this video is going to be helpful to you, which I know, click on the subscribe button, share the video to others, and like the video so that it will reach to others who need this international TikTok account, UK TikTok account precisely. So let's go to the video on how to create this UK TikTok account. First of all, the first thing you will do is to go to your any browser you have. If you have Chrome or Google as a browser, or any browser you have you're using it on your phone or iOS, so that's how you create your UK TikTok account. First of all, before you create that UK TikTok account, you don't need an iPhone to create it. You only need an Android. So if you're using an iPhone to create this your UK TikTok account, the UK TikTok account is not going to work. You're not going to create it fine. It's not going to work. It is going to show that your country region. So if you are in Africa or you are in Nigeria, let's say Nigeria or Ghana, so you need to use your UK TikTok account. Don't use an iPhone. If not, iPhone will detect your location. So use an Android to create a Gmail account precisely. So first of all, what we need to in this video is to create a new Gmail account. So all you need is to create a new Gmail. This is your new Gmail. That's what you are going to use. Don't use your old Gmail. If you use your own Gmail account, it's not going to work. So for this video, for the purpose of this video is to create a UK TikTok account. For this UK TikTok account to work perfectly, so all you need to do is to go on your Google account and create a new one. So you go to add another account. Click on add another account. You go to Google. So it will load. Once it loads, you put your biometrics on your pattern. So put my note that if you are using Nigerian TikTok account, you are not going to be making more dollars. So it's only UK TikTok account that is good. But if you use United Kingdom, United States of America TikTok account, which is USA TikTok account, it's not going to work perfectly. Like if you need to monetize, if you get that your 10k followers and you get your 60,000 watch hour in the last 3 months, so it's only when you get TikTok account you can put your national identification number, your Nigerian national identification number. But if you use a USA TikTok account, they are not going to allow you. It's only UK TikTok account that will allow you to put your home, your region national identification number to verify it. So all you need to do is go to continue on create account, create for my personal use, click on for my personal use. So you put your name. Let's use Jam Wise. Click on next. So once you click on next, you put your birth certificate, like everything, your age, everything, and your gender. So in this moment now, and if you are below 18 years, know that this thing it will not work for you. It's only those that. But if you are below 18 years, but you can still put it or use your father's own or use anyone behind you to verify it. So what you do is click on put on all your month. You select your month, select your date of birth, select your year, you select gender, which is male, click on next. So the next thing is to choose your Gmail account. Whether is you are going to let's create our own. We will not use these suggested ones. So let's create a new one. Jamwise Tech. Jamwise Tech. So you put your password. Make your password to be strong. Use capital letters as first one, which is upper letters, and use symbols and use phone numbers. So let's use this one. You click on next. So once you save your password and you agree to Google terms and conditions, click on yes, click on next. This is where you agree. then you agree to Google terms and service. So continue. As we have created this new Gmail account, all we need to do now is any browser you are using on your phone. From this case now, from this moment, once you have created your Gmail account with any Android, so what you do is go back to your iPhone, or if you are still using Android, you go to any browser. If you are using iPhone, you go to Safari. If you are using Google, if you are using an Android, you go to your Google. That's what you only use. But if you use Chrome will also detect your it will detect your location, because Chrome have an auto location detect, so it will detect that your location. What you only use is Google, and you use Brave. Those two browser, that's what you use for your Android. But if it's your iPhone, you use Safari. So you go you go to our Google, because I'm making use of Android here. So let's go to research Google here. Search for Google. I'm having poor internet connection, that's one. Let it load fast. So when you are in Google, what you do is search tiktok.com. Sign in. So you search tiktok.com, sign up. It will bring it out. You click on it on the first one. So once you have bring this page out, what you do is click on sign up. You click on your sign up. Once you have clicked on sign up, it will wait to load. I've created, why it logged me to my previous one is that I've created a UK TikTok account before for someone, so that's the reason why it showed this thing. So all that I will do now is to go back and log out from this one. To log out from this one. So once you have logged out successfully, from this is where the journey starts. Once you have used your Google to search for TikTok accounts, this is where the journey will start now. So what you will do is click on this place that is written sign up at the background. You have click on sign up. So look at this place at the down side of this thing that we're showing on the screen. At the down part, you see where it is written, by continuing with an account located in Nigeria, you will agree to our terms of service and acknowledge that you have read our privacy policies. So that place that is marked Nigeria and it is written in black capital letters, like with bold format. So you click on it. That's where the journey starts. If you have missed these tips, this thing will not work. From this place now, any country TikTok account you want to create for anyone, that anyone requested for you to create for the person, UK TikTok account, USA TikTok account, or all the whole countries, international TikTok account as a whole. So this place now, is where you select. Once we need in this video is UK TikTok account. So we go ahead and click on use. Go down and look for you. So at this place now, you look at United Kingdom, you see United States, you see United Arab Emirates. So you click on United Kingdom. That's what we need for this journey. You click on done. So you look at that down side, it's written again, by continuing with an account located in United Kingdom. So you have changed the region from Nigeria to United Kingdom. It will look as if you are in United Kingdom. So all you need to do is go ahead and you see on the upside, click use phone or email. So you select your date of birth again. So you click on next. This place now, they will tell you to put your phone number. You know you don't have a United Kingdom phone number. So at this place now, don't bother anything. But in after this video, I'm going to show you another video on how to get a United Kingdom phone number for verification, or United States phone number, all countries phone numbers for verification. So what you will do now is to go to email. You are using email on this process. So you click on that our email. You click it here. Jamwise take phone at gmail.com. So you click on this place, get content, get trending content, newsletters, promotions, recommendation, and account updates sent to your email. Click on it, click on next. So it will load. Once it will load, this place is where you select your password. You put your password again, and make sure you are using a strong password. Make sure you are using a good password so that you can see. Make sure you are using a good password. So you still use a upper letter, put your password. So it will show that you have used 8 to 20 characters, letters, numbers, and special characters. So you click on sign up. They have sent you a message. So they send you a verification message on your email. So all you need to do is after completing this puzzle. So after completing the puzzle, so you go to your Gmail. They have sent you a code. So all you do is go to your Gmail. So you refresh your Gmail. Let's refresh it here. The code have not yet come. Okay, you select that they have sent the code already. So you can see the code here now. The code is 643455. So that's the code. And in this place now, you put your username, that username you want to use. This is where you put it. Me, I'm putting Jamwise. So any username you want to use, make sure it will not start with capital letter. If not, you should show this red listing, red format. That it means that you are putting it at the wrong way. So use small letters. You put, let me use GG. Let's use GG. GG advice. Let's use GG advice. Let's use the GG advice. So this one now can go the GG advice. So you click on sign up. So you have logged into the TikTok account. All you need to do is to check whether it's a UK TikTok account. So from this moment now, let's confirm whether it's a UK TikTok account or if you have created Nigerian TikTok account. So for us to check if it's UK TikTok account or boom, now you can see that. Let's confirm whether it's a UK TikTok account. You go to three dots on the account, you click on manage accounts. So as you can see now, you can see that accounts control, delete account, account information, account region. This account region it have changed to United Kingdom. So let's go to our this thing, our main TikTok account, TikTok app, to log it in so that you can see and confirm that it has creator rewards program and it has other many features that UK TikTok account normally have. So you go to TikTok app, go to our TikTok app. Let's go to TikTok app, click on TikTok. So let's click on TikTok to confirm whether you have creator rewards program, because that creator rewards program is the only program whereby that is only that program that can pay you whereby you post your videos. But if you do not have that creator rewards program, that means you will not create a new TikTok account. So let's continue to add another account. Let's add our account to check whether it's a UK TikTok account. Use phone number or go back. So let's log in. Let's log in. We put our let's put our username first. DGG advice. Click on continue. So let's put our password. Click on continue. Let's select the person. So now let's confirm whether it's a UK TikTok account. You go to where we do is the thing we do now is to go to the TikTok studio. You click on the three lines and go to TikTok studio. So let's go to monetization. Click on monetization. All right. Now you can see that it has this creator reward program. So this it have creators marketplace, it have work with artists, life instant program, and it have many other features. So as you can see now, this is a UK TikTok account, a good stand UK TikTok account. And if this video was helpful to you and the tips to create a UK TikTok account, all you need to do is to subscribe on this channel, like the video, share to others so that it will reach to also others that need to create a UK. Watching the video, like